Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 2, Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom. In this, we are going to discuss about Evaluate Yourself 1. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of an electron that has been accelerated from rest through a potential difference of 1 kilo electron volt. Question is, to calculate the de Broglie wavelength lambda equal to formula h divided by mv. In this equation, h is a blank constant 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. M equal to mass of electron also constant 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. To calculate lambda, we require the V value. Velocity, how to calculate velocity of an electron? From 1 kilo electron volt, we have to calculate the velocity. 1 kilo electron volt is nothing but the kinetic energy value. Kinetic energy half me squared equal to 1 kilo electron volt. That is equal to 1 kilo means 1 into 10 power 3. Kilo means 1000. Kilogram 1000 gram. Kilojoule 1000 joule. Kilo is nothing but 10 power 3. Electron volt is nothing but charge of electron. Charge of electron is a constant 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule is the charge of electron. When we multiply 10 power 3 and 10 power minus 19, we will get totally 1.6 into 10 power minus 16 joule. This is nothing but half mv squared. From this, we have to calculate first v. So, v square equal to, bring this 2 and m to the right hand side. It becomes a numerator 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 16 divided by m, mass of the electron. Numerator joule. I will convert the joule into kilogram. That is equal to 2 into 16 are 32, 3.2 into 10 power minus 16 divided by mass of electron is a constant 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. 1 joule equal to 1 kilogram meter square second power minus 2 divided by, this is joule. Mass is in kilogram. 1 kilogram get cancelled. V squared, velocity squared, unit is meter squared second power minus 2. Now, I convert this into a simple value for easy calculation. V square equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 16. 9.1 is approximately equal to 9 into 10 power minus 31. Unit is meter squared second power minus 2. Now we can easily cancel this. 1 9 is 9. 0.3 9s are 27. Remaining 5 52. 5 9s are 45. That is enough. Now, bring the 10 power minus 31 to the numerator. It becomes 0.35 into 10 power minus 16. When you bring this to the numerator, it becomes 10 power 31. Unit is same, meter squared second power minus 2. That is equal to 0.35 into, when you add these two, you will get 10 power plus 15 meter square second power minus 2. So, V square, to take V, we have to take the square root of the right hand side value. To take square root, the 10th power must be even number. Therefore, that is equal to, I change this 0.35 into 3.5. So 0.35 equal to 3.5 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power 15. That is equal to 3.5 into 10 power 14 meter squared second power minus 2. This is V square. Now to cancel the square in the left hand side, we have to take the square root on the right hand side. Square root of 3.5 into 10 power 14 square root of meter squared second power minus 2 equal to meter second power minus 1. Now what is the value of root 3.5? Nothing but 1.87. The root of 10 power is the half of the 10 power. 10 power 14 means 10 power half value 7. 10 power 30 means 15. Meter second power minus 1. So velocity equal to 1.87 into 10 power 7 meter second power minus 1. But we have to calculate the lambda value. Lambda equal to h by mb. For that, this value is required. We know lambda equal to h by mb. H is a blank constant, that is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 unit is kilogram meter square second power minus 1. This is a unit of H divided by mass of the electron is a constant, that is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 unit is kilogram, and velocity just now we have calculated, that is equal to 1.87 into 10 power 7. For easy cancellation, I convert the denominator value into the whole number equal to 1.87 is converted into its nearby whole number 1.87. By adding 0.13, it becomes 2. 0, remaining 1, 9, 2. So if you add 0.13 to the denominator value, you have to add the same value to the numerator value. 6.626 by adding 0.13, you will get 6.756. So now the H value becomes 6.756. This is for easy cancellation. 10 power minus 34. 9.1 is approximately written as 9 into 10 power minus 31 into, now 1.87 becomes 2 into 10 power 7. Cancellation becomes very easy. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, remaining 1. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. Then 1 9 is 9, 0.3 9s are 27, remaining 6, 67. 7 9s are 63, remaining 4, 48. 5 9s are 45, remaining 3, 30. 3 9s are 27. So what is the answer? Equal to 0.3753 into numerator we have 10 power minus 34 into, bring all these 10 power value in the denominator to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 31 into 10 power minus 7. That is equal to 0.3753 into, this becomes 10 power minus 41, isn't it? Minus 41. This is plus 31. When you subtract, you will get 10 power minus 10. And In the unit cancellation, kilogram is unit of mass and velocity unit meter second power minus 1. Kilogram get cancelled, second power minus 1, second power minus 1 get cancelled, 1 meter get cancelled, lambda unit is meter. We have to write the value in the scientific method. For scientific method writing, bring this decimal to 1 decimal 3.753. This is actually the scientific method of writing. Now 10 power minus 10 becomes 10 power minus 11. That is equal to lambda value equal to 3.75 can be written as 3.8 into 10 power minus 11 meter. This is our final value. So the first problem is the calculation of, evaluate yourself, calculation of de Broglie wavelength from kinetic energy of the electron. Now, second, evaluate yourself. Evaluate yourself to calculate the uncertainty in the position of an electron if the uncertainty in its velocity delta v is 5.7 into 10 power 5 meter second power minus 1. This is from Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? It is impossible to accurately determine both the position and the momentum of a microscopic particle simultaneously. The mathematical form of Heisenberg uncertainty principle is delta x uncertainty in position into delta p uncertainty in momentum is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. P is a momentum. We know the formula. P equal to m into v. Mass of the electron is constant. Therefore, the variable quantity is momentum delta p equal to m into delta v. Substitute delta p value in this Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula. Delta x into m into delta v is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Now, the right hand side value is a constant value, isn't it? H nothing but blank constant. H by 4 pi equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 4 into 3.14 is the value of pi. When we solve, you will get 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 kilogram meter squared second power minus 1. This value is a constant value. So, whenever you solve the Heisenberg problem, remember this value 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 kilogram meter squared second power minus 1. Now, we have to calculate uncertainty in position. In our question is uncertainty in position. We have to calculate uncertainty in velocity is given. Except the uncertainty in position, bring all other value to the right hand side. So, it becomes h by 4 pi. Instead of writing h by 4 pi, we can directly substitute the value. 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 divided by m into delta v. Also substitute the other value. 5.28 into 10 power minus 35 divided by mass of the electron is a constant 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into the delta v value is given in our problem 5.7 into 10 power 5, that is given. For easy cancellation, now I convert the denominator value into the whole number. 5.7 is converted into the nearby whole number by adding 0.3. It becomes 6.0 value. If you add 0.3 to the numerator value, denominator value, you have to add the 0.3 to the numerator value also. So 5.28, 5.03, 5.58. What is the numerator value? Now becomes is greater than or equal 5.58 into 10 power minus 35 divided by 9.1 value is rounded off into 9 into 10 power minus 31 into 5.36 into 10 power 5. So now we cancel both the values. 1 6 is 6, 0 point in 55 we have 9 6 are 54, remaining one 18, 3 6 are 18. 1 9 is 9, 0.19 is 9, here you have 3, therefore 30, 3 9s are 27, remaining 3, 3 9s are 27 and goes on. Therefore, greater than or equal 0.1033, numerator we have 10 power minus 35. Bring these two values to the numerator, 10 power minus 31 becomes 10 power 13, 10 power plus 5 becomes 10 power minus 5. That is equal to 0.1033 minus 35 minus 5 equal to minus 40 plus 31 equal to minus 9. So, into 10 power minus 9. 0.1033 scientific method we have to convert this point after 1.033 into 10 power minus 10 meter is the uncertainty in position of electron. So, our answer is delta x equal to 1.033 into 10 power minus 10 meter. This is our second evaluate yourself. Evaluate yourself 3. How many orbitals are possible in the fourth energy level? N equal to 4. Principal quantum number n equal to 4 means L has 4 value 0, 1, 2, 3 azimuthal quantum number. If L equal to 0, M equal to 0, M value starting from minus L through 0 end with plus L, M equal to minus L, 0 plus L. L equal to 1 means minus 1, 0 plus 1. L equal to 0 means minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2. L equal to 3 means starting from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. L equal to 0 means s orbital, 1 4s orbital and 3 4p orbital and 5 4d orbital and 7 4f orbital. So, totally, so when you add 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, you will get totally 16 orbitals are possible in the fourth energy level. So, in this video we discussed evaluate yourself 1, 2, 3 from second lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.